Hey guys, I'm working on a game like Minecraft, but I'm designing it as an infinite horizon from the start, without mods. So this is the demo. This is a huge world containing almost 2000 world chunks. So what I'm going to do is draw some lights in the distance, and they are blocks just like any other blocks. But because that corner of the world is so far away, you can barely see them, but they're lights just like these ones. Now, this is an infinite light system, so I can place as many lights or even paint with light. And none of this is going to slow down the engine. I could have the entire world filled with lights and it would still work this fast. Now, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to draw something starting from that corner. And it's kind of funny because it takes time for the brush to get here. That's how far away it is. And it's a pretty fast brush. So if I do it close here, you can see how fast it's approaching me. So now I can draw some lights on this new geometry as well. And the flamethrower just keeps going. I'll probably remove it later. Okay, so these are the lights, and let's take a look at how huge this world is. And again, this is just a demo, so of course it's an empty world right now, but even if it was full with bricks everywhere, it would still run this fast. So also it's kind of funny how it's fast when you're focusing on close by objects, but it feels like the engine is running slow only because how huge this world is. So I just want to walk to that other end of the world just to see how big this chunk of the world is. So currently the entire world is about 2000 chunks. It's 1700 or so, basically 42 by 42. And this is not even the largest it can be. So if you know Minecraft's mods, Distant Horizons, Level of Detail, or Farsight Fabric, they claim they can render 1000 blocks. This is twice as that. And look at that distance, guys. And these are those pixels that we were drawing from the other side of the world. Look at how huge this is. And this is not even the corner. The corner is over there. I'm going to turn around just to show you guys how far away things are. Now you see those so-called pixels there in the distance. Those are the dots we were drawing from the other side of the world. And here's me waiting for the brush to get here. Now I'm going to draw another one here. It just takes a couple seconds for the brush to get here from the other side of the world. So guys, I don't know if this is Minecraft 2 or if it's Teardown or if it's Hytale, Distant Horizons, Farsight Fabric. I'm just mentioning these for the keywords, but obviously it's starting to look more like a game. And we'll just see what it turns out to be after I add real geometry, not just this random stuff. You can see how this could be a city, or there's a lot more to the engine than just this. I can't show everything in just one video. But I'm going to be recording more videos with dynamic day and light cycle, the sun, the moon, and all kinds of things like that.